Welcome everyone to my new video for Lucid Trading Prop Firm celebration time. We got to a $15,000 payout and I'd like to share with you my experience, present you the journey, and as usually have a good time guys. So keep in mind, attached to this we have a $50,000 Lucid Pro giveaway. Stick with me to find out more. Here's the context. We're trading on the live stream daily from 8 a.m. EST time, and we're running trading on this Lucid account with many other props. Therefore, we got to this stage, thankfully, with your support, guys. Very important for me. I think we had a great community here on YouTube and Discord, and there is a strong momentum towards education and growth. Very important. The moment I see all those comments of users and traders and community members having a great time on improving their skills of trading and progressing in this direction, I can tell you this is a major satisfaction for me, considering there is a attachment of reaching this kind of payouts. It is a strong confirmation. So thank you so much guys, and I'd like to start with this. Therefore, what's happening? Well, five accounts of 150,000 is what we traded on the live stream completely, not copy trading all of them. No, we have 4 flexes, 1 pro. I'm gonna find each account and show you the dashboard. I'd like to share with you the way we got to this point and talk about other positive and helpful situations too. Certainly not before we talk about the giveaway. Well, $50,000 Lucid Pro giveaway for this video, and I want you to remember that we're doing daily giveaways with Lucid accounts on my live stream, which starts from 8 a.m. EST time. That's where we're trading this Lucid accounts and many other prop firm accounts too. We're also running a great community there, so you gotta like this video to participate in this giveaway, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video. The giveaway ends on August 28th, and I'll draw the winner randomly on my live stream. Post it in the comments area and have a good time there. You gotta reach out to me on Discord to take your account. Therefore, this is also attached to the possibility for anyone to run maximum discount on Lucid. Use the scramble coupon code. The links in the description or comments area. At any point on any program for any account size, you have maximum discount for that. This is fully negotiated, guys. So by the way, right now there is a temporary promotion for the Lucid Pro, which is 1-day pass. You do not have daily loss limit, right? If you log it internally, your account, you don't have daily loss limit. It's, non-daily loss limit, non-daily loss limit for the 150,000, for 50,000, for the 100,000, for the 3 models of the accounts, except the 25K. We don't have daily loss limits. Keep that in mind. That's something interesting and might help you, right? So this is where we are, guys. Now, getting started, let me show you the accounts. Probably that's the best way to start off. And I'm going to show you the 2 big belly accounts we have. For those of you that are familiar with our community and notice from the live stream, we've been trading $150,000 Lucid Flex accounts for quite some time. Look at that. These are the big belly accounts we've got, and I'm gonna obviously respond to the question, why is the balance so high? We started from 150,000 Lucid Flex, and we had a $4,500 drawdown. So from $4,500 drawdown, we managed to bring the account balance to this level in a few months, trading the accounts normally, trading the accounts continuously, daily, at some point, without paying that much attention and caring about, obviously, the payout side in terms of, well, why do you keep making money when you're not able to take it out? You're not able to take out more than the cap, that's right, but the trading side has, different and multiple benefits, guys, especially for me experiencing to deal with these numbers. It is a major impact on my trading journey to deal with days where I'm making 20 grand, 60 grand, 80 grand, losing 30, 60, 80, right? So we have all sorts of experiences that are highly beneficial for this big belly accounts. We got 2 accounts like this. One is sitting on this 407,000. The other one is sitting on 404. We've not been copy trading this account, but trading quite similar, or I would say very, very similar. Even though there are days that are having differences of thousands of dollars. For example, on the 20th, we lost $98,000 here, and we've lost on the other 92,000, right? So they're not really copy traded, but it's quite similar. Therefore, these were the two accounts that you guys know we've been trading them for a while. And we had a really good time. Let me show you. We started this account since, this is chart of July. Then we have June, we have May, we have April, we have March, right? So these accounts are the ones we're stable and ready for the payouts constantly every 5 days without problems. That's right. The other one is kind of the same story. Continuing with the other accounts that are pretty much attached, and we were having a target to have basically 5 accounts ready for the payout before requesting a payout. That's what I wanted to have. So we were having the 2 big belly accounts ready and then trying to build the other 3 accounts for the same target. Therefore, this is a Lucid Flex we have, and one of the great benefits for the Flex is the funded stage is no consistency. I pointed out this is a major influence to my business. Major points, no consistency for the Flex and the funded stage. You know what does it mean? It means you can have days like this, especially if when you get started. I mean, for the first trading day was great. You can have days like that. You can have days like this. And this is a significant improvement in the space of props, allowing you to deal with that kind of thing. You know, allowing your winners to produce and make the difference is actually what is bringing you extremely close to the payout for that specific account. Let me share with you, for example, the other account is a total different way of looking at. We had an 872. This is the 4th account, right? And the one that's making the difference, you guys will be able to see, we only had a single day here that stands out. The rest of the days are close to the minimum trading, right? The minimum is $250 for the funded stage of this Lucid Flex. You need 5 days of $250 for the 150K. You need 5 days of $150 for the 50K, right? So I only had a single day here producing a lot more, producing basically the majority part of the money, the majority size of the money that we're needing to cash out the maximum. You know, Lucid Flex is no payout target, but the payout cap is you can cash out 50% of your profits up to the cap. The cap is 3,000. So for that 3,000 to be worth 50%, you have to do 156. We actually did a little more on the 4th thing, and this is another proof that we're leaving the winners to produce. We're leaving the winners to produce without necessarily stopping with a limit order, but there is an advantage by moving your trailings and pretty much securing more and more room with that. That is one major advantage, even though the other days are very close to the minimum, right? So 3 days that are close to the minimum. One which is, this 3 days are close to the minimum. You got to think about it. And which is not that difficult to produce, especially I'm trading minis. It's not that difficult to produce. The 872, let's say, is actually, triple than what we made in the other days, right? Triple. So that stands out a little bit, but it's still not that much. Yet what makes the difference and what is kind of securing the payout on a max size for this account is the 14th of July trading experience. Making sure we are having 5,900 is pretty much sealing. And this is the advantage of running no consistency. That's right. There's also disadvantages that are mentally for no consistency. And I can tell you, when you have no consistency, you have the tendency to keep pushing, knowing that you don't have limits for the upside and you might be able to secure your payout in a single day, which theoretically sounds attractive, but in reality, it could be a emotional trap. I have faced it, and I'm happy to share with you. That's something you got to control at some point. Even with the big days, you have to say stop. At some point, you have to do that. Which is that moment? Well, I guess it depends on the way your trading form is and the way your reading goes about the markets. And of course, the amount of money you made. There is a cost of opportunity to every single thing. Therefore, knowing and smelling when this thing is the right moment is something not very, very objective. I would say so, depending on so many personal characteristics. There's days where you can push, basically. We have days on the big belly, if I show you, we have days on the big belly accounts when we started, right? So, we allow this trade here to $13,000 for this trade. And at this point, we already had 3,600 and 4,700. So think about it. That is basically 8,000 in profit, which is sufficient for the max payout. Yet on the 19th, we pretty much pushed for 13 grand, and then you had another 15 here, and then 9.8, and then you have an 18 and a 23. So we were just going with the flow without bothering on the without basically allowing to be bothered by the possible type of anxiety of loss. That's also another thing users have. There's basically two major categories: traders that are always kept under the anxiety of a possible loss that comes in at some point, and they're afraid to leave those winners to produce, so they're not having days that are standing out and securing and sealing the payout because of the fear. Yeah, their trading and entries and skills of the charts or readings could be great. What stops them is the fear of leaving those winners to produce, right? The fear of losing the profits you haven't unrealized is much bigger, guys, than the fear of losing money. This is psychologically proven. That's why most of the traders are closing early. Closing early is usually an emotional act, and that is having a price. So, we got some years in the business, and I do know theoretically these things, and I'm trying to apply them in reality as well. So, yeah, this is the account and the situation that stands out here with the big day that makes the money and seals the payout. So we have basically a two big belly, right? Let's just take it one by one again. July, here's the first big belly account with 92 loss on the 20. Here's the second big belly with 98 on the 20. Here's the third, which has a 4,900 first day. Here's the fourth, which is the situation we just talked about. And then the fifth account, guys, was a little nightmare because we've been spending some time. If you look at the date we were ready for PAL, right now we're finishing the week with 24th, right? So we're during the weekend of 25th, 26th, which means that we finished trading with this account and we were ready on 16th. For the other account, we were ready on 13th. Now, between 16th and this day, with the other 5 days, basically 6 days of trading, we were fighting to achieve the target and have the fifth account ready. We were having 4 ready for the payout, and I was working towards having my 5th. At this time, we traded a Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro, which is 1 day pass. Lucid Pro 1 day pass, and then you can do 3 days in your funded stage because it has 40% consistency. So that is comfortable from that standpoint. That's actually the advantage there. Pro 1 day pass plus 3 days if you want to go for the fastest, which is actually 4 days totally from the moment you're taking it. Actually, not even 4 days because you can pass it today. You get the account to be upgraded to your funded state within the same day, usually a few minutes. So it's the same day, and you trade your first day in the funded stage within the same day. So that would be the first day. It's actually 4 days. 3 days, sorry, 3 days. 3 days totally from the time you buy to the time you request your pallet. I think that's really astonishing, guys. 3 days. Therefore, that's what we experienced with this Lucid Pro. Pushed aggressively and got to the necessarily needed target, which is buffer plus payout you want to take out. Payout is above the buffer. Indeed, there are some losses of accounts in the meantime, and it's a matter of numbers games. Certainly a matter of numbers games to make it as a positive experience at the end of the day. So emotional control was extremely important for the whole experience, especially dealing with two different categories of trading accounts. The big value ones where I can risk a lot and I have a different style. I can allow the accounts to go in drawdown of 30, 40, 50 grand and recover. But the other models are not the same with little drawdown left. Realistic expectations, again, another challenge. I mean, you have no consistency. So you would say, well, let me just go for the big target today. If I have a good trading form and I have a great reading of the market, usually we tend to continue push, push, push. And that would be the hardest things, to set up the realistic part of the expectations there, and not to blame. Continuous learning is one extremely important element. We've been improving our trading journey and numbers in the past year continuously, I would say. We have way accurate entries. We have a different style of trading. And I think this thing has been adjusting with our daily exercise during the live stream, because that is the only moment we trade. If there's trades that are not closed on the live stream and we're still having them open, is basically the only moment that some of the trades are extending over the live stream part. And usually that happens only in the big value accounts, where sometimes we're down 50 grand when we are finishing the live stream and it's unrealized. Yeah, we're recovering, which is the case basically for Friday. What was on Friday? Yeah, for the big value accounts on Friday, we were down. Friday 24th, we were down more than $50,000, guys, and then recovered. So that is some very interesting part. You can check that out on our live stream. So this is pretty much all about, guys. All in all, a very, very positive experience out here. Well, Lucid is the best prop firm in the space by far. Therefore, this is the way we got to these numbers. I'm an aggressive scalper, momentum trader, based on the price action, right? So I'm very aggressive, I can tell you. And I'm running with the big value in 10 minutes. With the other accounts, I have not been doing 10 minutes constantly. With a Lucid Pro, we've been really aggressive with that one too. Knowing you don't have basically a scaling, you can just run through bigger contracts from the beginning. Yet I would tell you that you don't need that many contracts to do the numbers. And if you're trading the New York session, which is something we do with this Lucid accounts most of the time, I think it is better to slowly scale, starting from micros and then testing the waters there, walking into the minis. It's something that you have to be open to give back and lose accounts. If you deal with minis a lot, it is a higher speed for everything. You can get to payouts quickly. You don't need many trades, but at the same time you can lose $500 in accounts or $300 in accounts in the same day. That's the reality. So obviously, when you get a payout of 3,000 pays for 10 days like that, it's a big difference. That's why you have a great edge. So it depends on your accuracy and efficiency rate, guys. That's pretty much all. Waiting you on our live stream, 8 a.m. EST time daily. We're starting usually 8:15, 8:30, but you can find that on my channel daily. You can join our Discord community of prop firm traders. You can find out more there. This has been a very, very positive experience and a great milestone achieved with you guys on the daily stream. Giveaways there. Make sure to join. Max discount scramble at a lot of the firms. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful, lovely day. Keep in mind to join the giveaway, and we talk to you soon.